last fish that you just saw me catch was actually an emoji that you could use in the chat. Here's a clip of me using it right now. So in conclusion, was fishing worth it? Absolutely not, but I had a lot of fun along the way. There was a point in time where I was number 94 on the fishing leaderboards, and it got to the point where we quite literally ran the dock. Okay, that was a joke. I don't actually support bullying on this channel, but I think you know what I mean. And in this video, I didn't actually show everything I caught, and the reasoning behind that is because this video is simply just to show off all of the remaining things that I didn't have. I've already fished in the past, which is how I obtained the hot potato gadget, and because of that, I already caught like a bunch of stuff. Anyway guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you guys all next time. Bye bye. Peace out.